We'll guide you through how to turn off SafeSearch on Safari on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and let's go and open up Safari. So I'm finding that certain things are missing from the search, and in fact, I can't access certain websites as well, which is really annoying, as I then can't go and fully go and use the internet. So what we can do is go and turn off SafeSearch to go and do this, as well as other restrictions as well. So to go and get started, you want to come into Safari, and for the first way we're doing this, as there are multiple ways you can go about this, we need to go and head to Google. So what we can do is press search at the bottom, and we then want to go and type in Google, and you can come to google.com like so. Once you're here, you then need to go and scroll down to the bottom to the footer. In here, you want to go and locate the option for settings, and you can go and tap there. You'll get a list of options, and from here, you then need to go and find the option for search settings. So go and tap there. You'll be brought here, and then what we can do is go down and we'll find the option for safe search. We're filtering currently on. So this means it's going to go and help filter out explicit images, text, and links, which I don't want, as it's then going to go and sort of remove certain things. I want there to be nothing filtered out. So what we can do is go and select off, and this will then go and show all relevant results, even if they are explicit. That's what I want. So then what you can do is go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If you're finding it still isn't, websites are blocked and you can't go and access them, what we can do is go and change the Safari restriction settings. So to go and do that, we need to come out of Safari like so, and you need to go and open up the settings on your iPhone. Here we are. So you can press search at the bottom. Now, if you go and type in Safari and go and head to the Safari settings, you aren't actually going to find them in here. They're separate. So come back, and in the main settings, you need to go and scroll down and find the option for screen time. So scroll down, here it is. If you can't go and find it, you can always go and press search and go and type in screen time and get here. So let's go to it. Here we are. Next, you need to go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for content and privacy restrictions, as it's part of this. Go and tap there. Once you're in this menu, you need to go and find the option for App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and you can go and tap here. What you then need to do is go down to Web Content, and we can tap here. So at the moment, this is set to only approved websites. Yours will be set to limit added websites, but to go and fully go and remove all restrictions, you want to go and select unrestricted. You're now going to be prompted to go and enter in the screen time passcode. So if you don't know this or you've forgotten it, well, first of all, if you don't know it and you set it yourself, I'll show you how to reset it in a moment. But if somebody else set it up, you need to get them to enter it. I do know it, so I can go and type it in now, and it's now set to unrestricted. So now we should be able to go and access everything we want to. But if you're struggling to go and turn that off there, you can come back to the screen time settings, scroll down and press change screen time passcode, and you can press change or turn off. I'll press change, and you can then press forgot passcode. And you can go and reset this here with your Apple ID account, which you would have used as a recovery method for if you forgot the screen time passcode. So that's it. You should have now gone and turned off SafeSearch and any other restrictions which are going to be limiting what you can go and browse in Safari. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are loads more on the channel and loads more to come. So make sure you go and check them out if you're interested. If you've got any comments, drop them down below as well.